Kyle Brad from Chaparral Motorsports sitting in front of the Sand Viper 350. This is a phenomenal powered bicycle. So it has two different modes. You can run it in pedal assist, and there's 5 different levels of pedal assist. So you can just barely start pedaling, the motor's gonna kick on, and you're gonna zoom across the surface of the land. Or you can have it completely electric. As soon as you twist the throttle, the bike goes, and that's a lot of fun as well. Again, there's 5 different levels of power that you can put into this bike and 7 different speeds. This is a 36-volt bike. It has a range of about 20 miles, and you can go about 20 miles an hour. Now come on in close as I give you the detailed breakdown of the different features, functions, and components on this bicycle. Digging into the details of this Sand Viper electric bicycle, what we're seeing here in the 350-watt version is a brushless front motor. It's a 350-watt motor that has 36 volts. Looking at the gears and the drive and the transmission, we're looking at a Shimano 7-speed A Sierra SS derailleur. When it comes to the drive, you have 3 different options. You can pedal it like a bicycle with 0 assistance, or you can turn on the pedal assisted system, which gives you 5 different levels of power assist. If you don't want to pedal at all and you just want to twist the throttle and go, well, there's the throttle and go option. You simply push the red button, twist the throttle, and away you go down the road, up to just about 25 miles an hour. Now when rolling at 25 miles an hour down the road with power assist, you're probably wondering how fast this thing stops. Up front and in the back, we're looking at 160mm disc brakes. Moving out to the wheels, we're looking at the front and rear wheel. They both have the same size rims. They're aluminum alloy and they measure 26 by 4. Wrapped around them are all-terrain fat tires. It's gonna get you enough tire to cover sand, rocks, dirt, or any other type of terrain that you want to traverse. The frame features an aluminum alloy structure and is an 18-inch bicycle size. Moving up into the cockpit, the display is an LCD display made by Baofeng. It's the C961 model. This display is going to give you all of the pertinent information that you need in order to know exactly what your bicycle is doing. It's going to show you the amount of battery you have left, how fast you're going, and all kinds of other key pieces of information. This display sits upon a neck that is fully adjustable, almost 4 inches of adjustment. If you're short, you adjust it down low. If you're taller, you adjust it up higher. This is a great feature that SSR has put onto this bicycle. Speaking of adjustability, the minimum seat height is 36.5 inches, and the seat tube can raise about 6 inches higher than that. The battery is a lithium-ion 36-volt 10 amp-hour battery. The range per charge is about 25 miles. The maximum speed is just over 20 miles an hour. The weight of the bike is 53 pounds, and the weight capacity of the bike is 280. When it comes to measurements or size of this bike, the total length of the bike is 72 inches, the total width of the bike is 26 inches, and the total height is 42 inches. This bike is available in 3 different colors: white, black, or red. When it comes to the warranty, we have a 12-month limited warranty, so make sure you check out the product detail page to see the specifics on what is covered and what is not. A couple other features that this bike has that don't show up in the tech specs are the front and rear reflectors, the custom rear rack, which will hold 15 to 20 pounds, a tail light, a front headlight, and, as we mentioned earlier, the adjustable gooseneck. And there you have it, the Sand Viper 350. This is a really fun 36-volt electric bicycle that can help you get about 20 miles down the road with ease and without any stress at all. If you have any questions about these bikes, give us a call here at Chaparral Motorsports or visit us online. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw today, give us that thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, take care and ride safe.